औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 141 तिलका उम्मतिन कद खलत लहा मा कसबत वलकुम मा कसबतुम वला तसअलूना अम्मा कानू यअमलून. English translation: that was a nation which has passed on. It will have the consequence of what it earned, and you will have what you have earned, and you will not be asked about what they used to do. Word to word translation of this verse: Tilka, that, Ummatin, a nation, Qad, which, Khalat, has passed on, Laha, for it, Ma, what, Kasabat, it earned, Walakum, and for you, Ma, what, Kasabtum, you have earned, Wala, and not, Tus'aloon, you will be asked. Amma, about what, Kanu, they used to, Ya'maloon, do. Explanation of this verse: this verse emphasizes individual accountability and responsibilities for one's own action. It states that past nations are responsible for what they earn through their deeds, and similarly, the present individual or nations will be responsible for what they earn through their actions. The verse highlights that no one will be held accountable for the deeds of others. Each person or group will face the consequences of their own action. The verse serves as a reminder that while historical legacies and the deeds of the past nations are significant, they do not determine the fate or accountability of the present generation. Each person or community must strive to earn their own righteousness and uphold their responsibilities towards Allah and their fellow human beings. Reason for the revelation of this verse: this verse was revealed in the context of ongoing debates and contentions between the Muslim and the people of book, Jews and Christians in Medina. The verse addresses the notion of inheriting the religious identity or righteousness of previous prophets and their communities. It refutes the idea that merely belonging to a particular religious community guarantees salvations or divine favor without personal accountability and righteous conduct. The verse underscores the importance of personal responsibility and the necessity for each individual to earn their own deeds. It serves as a reminder that historical connection to past prophets or righteous community do not absolve one from the responsibility of adhering to the divine guidance and striving for righteousness in one's own life.